welcome back. Today's video is a treat and sort of a blast from the past. It's when I made the flying dirt jumper video. Now this is some time ago. I'm not sure if it's even technically part of the dirt jumper series, although I'll probably add it now. It'd probably be like 7.5 or 8.5, I don't know. But this is going to be part of the dirt jumper series. This is part 10, and it's just showing how I made that entire video because I've never shown it before on my channel, and I think it's kind of cool to see how you can use green screens. So here we go. First off, the intro scene, I'm just going to work through it scene by scene. You can see me flipping through different contraptions and stuff and going, which one should I choose? I picked the bicycle, and it zooms up big. Now, in order to shoot that scene, I actually had to shoot 4 individual scenes. The first scene I had to shoot was of the bicycle spinning in a circle in front of my green screen. The second one was of the Juggernaut helmet. The Nerf gun was the third. And then finally, I had to shoot a scene of myself just doing the flicking motion back and forward and then pretending to pick the topic. Of course, there's then probably a 5th scene would be me zooming in on the bike where I actually bring in the real bike and it fades into the actual real world. So you can see here just 4 clips and how you stack them allows you to make one very cool piece of film. So next off, we move into probably the most crazy and unnoticed section of the film, where I'm actually riding the bicycle. And I realized that when I was watching this film the other day, you guys really couldn't tell what was happening. This is what was actually going on. Yes, I was actually sitting on the dirt jumper, hung from the ceiling in front of my green screen. And you can see my brother helping me out. He's a great guy. He's trying to stabilize the bike so that I'm actually able to shoot this. I've got 2 ropes on the handlebars and 1 attached to the seat that I've actually painted green so that I can try to key them out of the shot. And it turned out okay. Unfortunately, in the video, it's hard to tell, but the tires are actually spinning the entire way through, which is something sort of goes back to, I think, the film E.T., where the guy's riding the bicycles, and you can see their tires spinning and they're pedaling. That's the effect I was looking for here. It's like, and in order to get that effect, you really have to hang the bicycle in the air to have both tires spin. So literally, I am technically sort of flying the dirt jumper in real life in order to get the shot where I'm flying the dirt jumper. So just kind of a cool background picture there of how that actually worked. It was really fun. I had 2 C-clamps clamped up to the beams in my basement ceiling, ropes going to it all over the place, and turned out pretty good. The final scene you see where I'm riding straight forward towards the camera, that one's pretty simple. I'm just sitting on the bike in front of the green screen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me to film that dirt jumper one. If you'd like to see more of me goofing off with a green screen and showing you the behind the scenes of it later on, I'd be happy to do it. I love filming with green screens. I love video effects. And I just enjoy using my contraptions in new and creative and weird ways. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Check out my numerous other videos. I think I've got like 160 going on 170 now. And I'll see you in the next episode. Have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions signing out.